Okay, and that's final review. We did our keyword research in part 1, and you could see how we used the topical authority in ZimWriter. We made enhancements in AI Masher. We copied those out of AI Masher and put them directly into bulk writing in ZimWriter. Chose search internet focus, put a style mimic, and did some other parameter settings. I skipped making featured images. I'm making the featured images in AI Masher. And then I come over here, I imported the article, made the media enhancements in here. I used a template to put voiceovers with each of these. And then I hit that magic button at the bottom. I selected the ones, hit the HTML zip, put them all in media encapsulated HTML files in a zip folder. And then I went to GSite. I brought in that AI Masher zip, adjusted the title, got the Google Site link, and then I hit the button publish. And then I went into Google Sites and just kind of cleaned everything up. So I only did it with 5, but you could do 10, 20 at a time. And basically you have your Google Sites up, you're done. You would just bring in import, and you would import more articles this way. Once you click the import, it says it's finalized, and then you would come up here and click the upload. You would see additional red ones there, and I'll do this real quick for you. Okay, I have one with just 2 articles in the zip file. Just want to show you, we've got it all saved. Make sure it's saved. If you're starting from scratch, you would just hit load and load in this one, which is the microbrewing tips for beginners. And I would go to import my 2 articles. And this is important. If I say yes, it's going to create a brand new site, a brand new Google site. I do not want to say yes. I want to say no to import to the existing site. Okay, you'll see these 2 red dots means they haven't been published yet. So to upload them to the URL, you come over here and go upload to URL and say OK. And those 2 pages will get uploaded. And I'll pause the video, let it do its work, and then I'll come right back. Okay, you can see it's done. It turned those 2 green. Now let me show you one last trick, and it's to move these pages off. So there you go. Here's the 2 pages. So they're underneath privacy policy and terms and service. Real easy to change that around. Come over here to pages, and just click it and drag it. So I do that on every one as I try to get privacy policy terms underneath. Hit publish, and then hit publish up here. Now you would want, after you've done a few of these, you would want to update your table of contents. And let's look at the final site. It looks all really good. And if you'll notice, these last 2 I haven't done anything with, so that you would, if you want to, you can go in and adjust them or leave them like they are. If you're doing a massive amount of uploads, me personally, what I'm going to do is the ones that I put on the home page, I'm going to make them look nice. Everything else, I'm just going to leave it just like they are right here. But for demonstration purposes, I wanted to show you how I did every one of these pages and how you can change the look and feel every time you do it just by moving images. Or I like how this is done, wide, narrow top on there. And this one, has the image on the left, title on the right. That looks really good, nice. Okay, so hopefully you've learned a little bit about going ZimWriter over, but let's just do a quick review. So we've done keyword research, bulk writing, importing, and then page publishing. So that should be all that you need. But if you want to go a little bit further, is add your table of contents, edit the pages to make them look more visually engaging, like I showed you how to do. Add a local page embed. Of course, you would need local RSS Masher, but real easy once you get RSS Masher. And by doing this, you're always going to have fresh content on that home page because the RSS feeds are constantly being updated. Add other Google properties, very easy to do. And then finally, just future-proof it. And we've talked about all this. So thank you for joining us on this course. I know it got long, but I wanted to show you detail, step by step, how we did this. So I'll see you on another video.